In this video, we're going to go from this to this using that, and more importantly, this. Alright, so as you can see, I've got a lot of junk going on here, and I need to get this all cleaned up. So I'm going to start with getting these monitors up off the desk and on a mount. The HP monitor, oh, can't mention that. This monitor right here, as you can see, is not a VESA mount, and the other one over there does have a VESA mount. Alright, first thing I do is put the VESA adapter on this monitor. Brackets for different scenarios, so you know, if you don't have a VESA mount on your monitor, don't panic. It could still happen. Got this one off of Amazon, and of course there will be a link down in the description to it. So there it is. There we go. Okay, to get this one on this specific monitor, you push down this little button right here and pull this out. And then I can put in the new bracket. Like so. And next will be the stand. And there's the instructions. One of the VESA mounts. Okay, so the two options you have is using a clamp or just simply putting a hole through your desk and mounting it that way. At first I was planning on drilling the hole because this desk doesn't mean that much. It's not particularly valuable. But I am kind of curious about the clamp here, so I think I'm going to try the clamp first. And if it doesn't seem sturdy enough, then I'll go ahead and drill the hole through it. But this clamp looks pretty substantial, actually. And I've got a good lip back there, so we're going to try clamping it first. So in that case, follow the instructions on 1A. Yeah, I'm going to follow instructions, kinda. Alright, so first thing you do is mount the pole to this bracket here. Like so. Using the screws from B. Make that better in the camera there. Just like that. And I am going to do this using their tools. So looks like Allen wrench E is the correct one. Get that started. That, and then next I suppose this gets mounted on. Looks like you have two different thicknesses here, so check what you're going to be mounting it to and see which one works out best for you. Yep, so mine will work out best right there. So now we'll move on to screws A. So then we'll use A. This is why I'm using the clamp first, because I want to kind of try it out in a couple spots, see what works best before I commit to drilling holes. Actually, I have a power strip right underneath here, so this right here is going to be as close as I can get. Wow, okay. Sound good. And next I'm going to go out on a limb here and say this probably gets put on. Curious what some of this stuff is here. Okay, so next I'll put on the plates on the monitor. And this has holes for different VESA mounts, as does that adapter there. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the one tool that does not come with it, is a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, now before putting the arm on, make sure you put this guide on first, the for cable management, because once you get the arm on, this ain't happening. Slide that on. Put the arm on. These facing up. Make sure this is good and tight before you slide your monitors on so it doesn't slide down the pole here. Okay. Now we can slide our monitors on. Then next will be the little hold downs and screw. That mount's flimsy. I don't like that. Put these on if you haven't already. Okay, there it is with the cable management somewhat done. Alright, so a few final thoughts. First of all, I hate these power packs. They never give you enough cord. That should be able to lay on the floor, not hang or lay on the desk. But anyway, there it is. This will work great if your two monitors are the same, which is what most people probably would do anyway. Mine are not the same, and unfortunately because of that they hang at two different heights and there's no way to adjust this thing. So I was kind of planning on purchasing two matching monitors anyway, because well, you can see that's an old one. That's a TV / monitor, and this one here doesn't even have the VESA mount. So final thoughts, man, I don't know. How is there not a way to adjust the height on it somehow? Because not everybody's going to have matching monitors. A lot of people do, but not everybody. But anyway, there it is. Thanks for watching.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.